Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about what to do if you get a flat tire in your Tesla Model 3, so if you're interested, stay tuned. So I'm sure you're thinking, this is easy, just pull over and get out your spare and change the tire. Well, not so fast because Teslas don't have spares in any of their cars. And before you jump to conclusions saying what kind of car company does that, or how lame is Tesla and how cheap is Tesla to not provide a spare? Well, just an FYI, according to AAA, in a 2017 study, they saw that 28% of car companies did not provide spare tires for their cars, and that number is growing every year. Brands like Audi, BMW, Mercedes, Chevy, and even some Hyundais don't even come with spares now. There are some benefits to not having a spare, and some of these reasons, if not all of these reasons, I suspect Tesla doesn't include a spare with their cars. In the EV world, we're always talking about the efficiency of the batteries, so having a spare is basically like dead weight for most of the time, so not having to lug around that dead weight is going to get you better efficiency. And the other reason is there's more room in the back. So if you're not carrying around a spare all the time, that means you have more space to utilize to put groceries and whatever else you need in the trunk compared to the one time you do need the spare. So now begs the question, what do you do if you get a flat tire with no spare? Well, first, it depends on the situation. Let's say you're in your garage and you notice your tire is flat. Well, maybe you have a spare sitting around that you can put on there to temporarily fix the car until you can get the, original tire fixed. What I'd highly recommend also having with your car at all times is a portable air pump. So in this situation, what you could do is you could pump up the tire, so at least you could drive it down to your local tire shop or the service center, and then you can get it repaired and you'd be on your way. Or if you're prepared, you would already have a plug kit with you, and you could basically plug the tire in your garage, which is a pretty simple fix to do if you know how to do it, and then you could be on your way that way as well. If you don't have a plug kit, you could still take it down to the service center or your local tire shop, and they could definitely do that for you. Or what they might do is they might take the tire off the rim and patch the tire, which is a better fix, but it's going to be more costly at the same time. Now, if you're on the freeway and you get a flat, definitely pull over first of all. And then second, you might be able to use the portable air tire inflator if you want, but it might be a little bit safer to call Tesla Roadside Service or a tow truck to get your car off the freeway. Tesla Roadside Assistance is available 24 hours a day, and it's available to you if your car is under warranty. So if you go into your app, it's at the bottom of the home screen, and there is a service button that you can push to request Tesla Assistance. Or you can go into the car as well. If you go under service, there's a number you can call to request assistance. So then at that point, all you have to do is wait for the tow truck to come, and they'll take your car to the service center or your local tire shop, wherever you prefer. Keep in mind, though, that Tesla doesn't have a complete fleet to service every car out there. So a lot of the times they subcontract out the tow services to random tow companies. So if that happens, make sure that the tow truck driver knows how to actually tow a Tesla, because Teslas don't have traditional pinch points, and so they could damage the car if they don't tow the car correctly. So I do have an actual video on how the car should be towed, and I'll leave that video here in the cards. Now, if you're in certain regions, Tesla does have a loaner wheel program. So what that is when you call Tesla Assistance, they'll have a mobile van come out and actually swap out a loaner wheel for you. And then what they'll do is they'll take your tire to the local service center and fix it for you, but that's going to be at your cost. So that's a really cool way to get yourself back on the road really quickly and conveniently. Just make sure you don't forget to pick up your, actual original tire at the service center at a later date. If for whatever reason the mobile van doesn't have the right size rim for your car, then basically what they'll do is they'll tow your car to the local service center, your home, or whatever tire shop you want that's within 50 miles of the car's location, and that'll be free of charge. So that's pretty much the options you have if you get a flat tire in your Tesla. Which option do you think will work best for you? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.